Hello friends, today we will talk about Pug Cash cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00009253 and its volume is around $45,000 and blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed one day ago. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open Pug Cash portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 3507 and 322 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is pug.cash and this is its price $0.009253 and BTC is 8.32% down and ETH is 7.09% down. Low price is $0.000945 and high price is $0.001039 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and this is contract address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 1,80,000 Pug Cash coin. After that we will come down and this is its description. We can read it and its total supply is 100 billion PUG coin. After that we will open its website and click on pug.cash. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like blog, telegram, trade. We can trade on PancakeSwap, 1inch and Bogged Finance. Pug Cash, its Pug Time, innovate and unique tokenomics with a special fair launch, trade and we can view live chart. We can join on Twitter, Telegram and other social media. Fair launch, unique tokenomics, liquidity farming, community on deflationary and bull to last. Fair launch, 3 great stage to the most fair launch. Stage 1 kick, stage 2 balance and stage 3 form. Trade PUG, by trading on 1inch you can get always the best price among the available pools. Book.finance allow to easily check the price chart of Pug and trade as well. Store PUG, when it comes to trade, store and transaction, PUG, Trust Wallet and MetaMask are 2 best wallet for Binance Smart Chain. And Pugonomics, we loyalty is rewarded, community put in control. The first PUG owner are 3 winners on every transaction. Hold at least 1M PUG to be eligible for a random airdrop anytime to transaction take place. 0.6% is given randomly to 3 Pug holders. And deflationary, on every tax 0.1% is burned, keeping Pug fit in time. PugDAO, on each tax 0.2% given to the PugDAO owned and managed by PUG holders, making Pug stability sustainable in the long run. DAO will be available starting from Q3 2021 and allocation 5% Bund Finance and 5% PancakeSwap, 5% Value Defit, 15% DAODEX and 60% farming and 10% community marketing. Get PUG, there are 3 major ways: swap, farming and actively participate in the community. And Pug bounties, helping Pug community growth come with benefit. Marketing, community, and this is roadmap. Pug birthday, Pug deployed, documentation, bounce stage, kick stage, balance stage, form stage and marketing stage, and Pug club stage. Befriend OG airdropped, community incentivized, CoinGecko listing, CMC listing, PugDAO, Pug cards and Pug aid and Pug multi-chain. Articles, how to trade, how to farm and how to unique made possible, and FAQ. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the trust wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our trust wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our trust wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to trust wallet and click on connect and click on trust wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from trust wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.